So here's how to solve an algebraic equation. So let's say we have the equation 3x plus 4 equals 5. So we need to employ a process called isolating the variable. So x, we need to put it on itself, or at least with the coefficient. So you want 3x on one side, and then this we have to do something about it. So the rule with these equations is that you have to apply the same operation on both sides. So if I want to get rid of this 4 here, I have to use subtract it from this side, but I'll also have to subtract it from this side. So if we want 3x to be by itself, you have to be 3x, and then you'll see that the only way to get rid of plus 4 is to subtract 4. So we'll get 3x equals 5 minus 4, because you have to do the same thing to both sides. So what's 5 minus 4? That's 1. So we know that 3x is 1. So now, to isolate x, we have to get rid of the 3 here. So you have to divide 3x by 3. What do you think that is? Well, of course, that's x. 3x divided by 3 is x. And we have to apply the same thing to the other side. So what's 1 divided by 3? Since it would be tedious to turn it into a decimal, because it's a very long decimal, I can tell you that, x is going to equal, let's just put it as a fraction. So x becomes 1 over 3. And that's your answer. And if we want, we can use the guess and check method. So let's get rid of all of that. That's scrap work. So now let's make our table here. Sorry for the lack of a straight line. L, S, and R, S. So if 3 times 1 over 3, let's put that in brackets. Tried to do it before, I kind of failed. So 3 times 1 over 3. Actually, let's try that again, because it's not writing well. So 3 times dot. Let's put a dot there. 1 over 3 plus 4 equals 5. Well, like we did before, we have to subtract 4 from both sides. So that becomes 3, which equals 3 times, 3 times 1 over 3 equals 1. So we have to multiply 1 over 3 by 3, which equals 3 over 3, or 1. Let's just write that as 1, which equals 1. So now we know that our solution is correct. So that's how you solve an algebraic equation.